Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. In this video, we're going to detail how to use the EasyLink application to manage your gift card program. So, to begin with, start by choosing the EasyLink icon from the home screen of your tablet. Then, choose Station Setup. And from here, we're going to test to see if the tablet is connecting to the internet and working. So, you'll see that we've pre-populated your username and password at the top. Choose Test Connection to test to see if it's working. You'll see a message that it's successfully connected. On this screen, you'll also see a variety of different options. Some of these will allow you to do things like changing the background color if you so desire. And you would just click Submit at the bottom to apply your changes. So to begin with, we're going to go through all the different functions under the gift card menu. The first one I want to talk about is Activate. This would be used if you have a gift card that you have just sold and you'd like to put the amount of funds onto the card so that the recipient can use it. So to begin with, you would just type in the gift card number in this first field, or you can choose the barcode scanning icon if you'd like to activate the camera on the tablet to pick up the barcode from it. Then you'd put the amount that you'd like to activate and put onto the card and click Submit. Next, we're going to talk about a sale. So if somebody comes in with a gift card that they've received that has a balance on it, you would just type in the gift card number, or again, you could scan the barcode using the camera feature. Then you'd put the amount that they are redeeming off of the gift card into the dollar amount field. And then you'd click Submit. Now you'll see that it's been successful, and it'll show you that the previous balance for the card, the amount that you just took off of it, and its new balance. You can let the gift card holder know what is remaining on their card. The next feature we want to talk about is how to recharge an existing card. So if somebody has used up an entire gift card and they'd like to put funds back onto it, to be used again, you would simply put in the gift card number and the amount and click Submit, and now that card will have the additional balance added to it. The next option is a return. So if somebody is returning something that they used a gift card as a form of purchase for, you would just put the number and the amount in here and click Submit, and that is going to return the funds back onto that gift card. And then balance inquiry. So for this, you would just type in the gift card number or scan the barcode for the card in order to see how much is remaining on that gift card. And as a reminder, your gift card holders can also go to a website that we create for them to be able to check their balance as well. So if you have any questions about what that URL should be for your account, you would just contact our support team. So here you'll see the current balance is $19 on this particular card. So that's all there is to it. The gift card program is simple to run and easy to manage with your tablet. But if you have any questions, just contact our support team. We're available at 866-268-4958 or email us at merchantservices@repeatrewards.com.